we're on our way to check out a campsite, a free campsite, Warburtons Bridge. Now, we tried to go there a long time ago, but it was absolutely full. So we're hoping that this weather has turned a few people off and we'll actually get a spot today. So we've just arrived and it looks like we've actually managed to get, Twilight, do you mind? A really good spot. She's so excited, she wants to get out. Now, it's really wet here. I'm hoping we don't get bogged, but I think we should be right. We've got a hard bit of ground. We've managed to get ourselves a fire pit. We've got a view of the water behind us. So the water's just going past there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. There's some Vanlifers here. There's a fair few caravans, and we've got a tent next to us on the other side, and you got these guys over here, and Twila's still crying, but the sun's shining through now. Look at this beautiful hill behind us. It looks so beautiful. Anyway, I think we've come at the perfect time. We've got the perfect spot, and hopefully the ground will dry up now that the sun's out. So before we set up, we thought we'll go check out the bathrooms and have a walk along and see who else is here. So you can see, oh, they had a van here before, but they've just taken off. They're probably going to get some firewood, I'd say. Got a van over here. I don't know what van that is. Oh, a Mugen van.
I mean, good thing we bought our firewood because there's nothing around here either.
No. So we brought a couple of bags of firewood, because we're going to be doing a lot of cooking. And then there's the toilet there, so we're not far. We're like a 1-minute walk to the toilet.
And on that, mate, I'm going to go.
You got to go. All right, I'll take Twyla. There's Twyla. And then over there, oh look, there's one of those vans that has the roofs that pop up like a triangle. How cool is that? So this was the first spot we were going to come to, but it's just a bit too wet here. It's really, really muddy. Knowing us, we'd get bogged. These guys have got a generator happening. Now, these are those vans in our Geelong video. I went and looked at a whole heap of vans just like this. So if you want to check that out, check out the Geelong Jayco video. Not that it's a Jayco, but it was in that same episode. But yeah, so we skipped that one and we ended up down there. But yeah, might head back now. Had a walk around.
But I've never seen someone use so much Kindle in my life.
That's all right. Let's get this fire started. We're going to take a walk with Twyla because she's been tied up the whole time. And I'm just going to head down to the river and have a bit of a stroll and see if we want to go for a swim. No, I'm only joking. Anyway, there's the water.
There's so many places.
It's running pretty fast, but there's been that much rain.
Warburtons Bridge.
Warburtons Bridge.
Well, we went over the bridge.
It's about 25-minute drive from Kyneton itself.
About less than that, I think.
Or even less.
Probably 15.
No, about 20 something it was. And yeah. Twilight, do you want to go for a bigger walk than this?
Yes, she needs it.
Yeah, all right, we'll go for a big walk. We've just walked down to the front of the camping ground and come down to the bridge, and it's an old bridge. Look at it, it's so cool. Let's take a walk over it. Just got to make sure there's no cars coming. Look at this, the old wooden bridges. The sun's come back out again. Just make sure the toilet doesn't fall down any of the holes. Be careful, baby girl. Another midweek episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our main episode. It is going to be epic. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Otherwise, we will see you on Sunday. See you guys.